perform only tympanometry, select the Tymp button. Follow your facility's guidelines for screening procedures. To test tympanometry and reflexes, select the Tymp/reflex button. The default test is tympanometry with the ipsilateral reflex at 1000 Hz. To test additional frequencies, select the desired stimulus frequencies using the buttons. Selections are displayed on the LED screen. To perform the test, hold the 226 Hz probe tone securely at the entrance of the ear canal to create an airtight seal. If your device has the combo probe, place the shoulder mount with the probe box on the shoulder near the test ear. Place an ear tip onto the end of the probe and insert it into the ear canal. When a seal is obtained, the GSI 39 will automatically begin testing. The lights on the probe will inform you of the status of the test. When the light is solid green, the test is being performed. When the light goes off, that means the test is complete and the probe may be removed from the ear.